Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how I made these coasters that looks like velvet. So without further ado, let's get to it. Today I am going to attempt for the first time to make coasters that look like it's been inserted velvet inside, and I have seen them on YouTube, different artists create them, and I thought that I want and will have a go too. So the first thing that needs to be done is you need to put down some clear resin, ideally about half of the amount that you will use for all the coasters. And after that you need a cling film, and you start slowly to place it inside the resin. And for this little job you need to spend some time, because it's not that easy, as the cling film collects bubbles underneath, and you need to go back and forward and back and forward and slowly until you cover them. And in this part I'm not wearing gloves, because otherwise it would be impossible to work with this cling film, as it's clinging to everything, and as well I'm not touching resin with my hands here. So I done one, and now I am on to the second one. And once again I would give a tip to spend more time on here to make sure that you are happy with the pattern that you seeing on the coaster, and that there are no bubbles, especially on the edges. It is quite challenging to achieve the perfection here. I don't know if you noticed in the beginning that basically I lost or didn't record the first part where I'm putting down my clear resin. I think it's due to that my memory on the phone was pretty full, and it decided not to record it. So this is the second day. My coasters have cured, and I am mixing up black color, black resin pigment into the resin. And now it's the fun part to take the cling film off the cured resin, which in my case it's pretty easy. I didn't have any problems. Yeah, it was easy to remove it. So after that's done, the next step is to take some chameleon pigment. I have chameleon pigment. This is violet blue from Just For You Online UK. And take a brush and start to paint it, dab it, buff it, whatever you want to call it, and cover the resin with this pigment. And after that I pour the resin on top until the mold is full. Pretty straightforward, nothing complicated. And after that's been done, it's just time to let it cure, and now it's the next day and it's time to unmold and see what is coming, what we are getting in here. I am very excited. You see my reflection there. Little mirror time. And what we have. Okay. I can see that it's okay. It's very nice. I like the color, blue and violet. It's very nice. But maybe the cling film could be placed better, as it really doesn't have so much velvet look as I would like. So onto the other one. It's hard to get a grip, but eventually I do it. And here is the next one. Wow, this I like a lot. I like the ripples, how they look, and yes, definitely better. This one, I like it a lot. I think it's not a bad result for a first attempt. And here they are already. I applied gold edge and top coat, and they look absolutely fantastic. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please leave a comment down below and let me know. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!